In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update CoinSnap app. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any security issues as well as errors that might be associated with the older version of CoinSnap. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to update your CoinSnap app, you need to go ahead and search for this app either through Google Play Store on Android smartphone or App Store on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store here and then open it, and then using this search bar here or search icon down below, go ahead and search for CoinSnap. And now if I perform a search, you can see we have our CoinSnap here, coin identifier app. Now you can see I have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of CoinSnap app. To update it, go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of CoinSnap app and then install it on your smartphone. Now once it has been installed, you can go ahead and open it to start using the latest version of CoinSnap app. So that's how you can get the latest version of CoinSnap app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.